In today's video, I will teach you how to change opacity in Gimp. Let's get started. There are two ways to go about changing the opacity of the layer in Gimp, but both of them are pretty much straightforward and you can use them interchangeably or just use the one that you're more comfortable with. The first method is by using the Layers panel. Once you've launched Gimp and opened the image that you would like to work on, you now have to go to the Layers panel, which is located on the lower right side of the editor by default. If the Layers panel is hidden, simply go to the menu bar, Windows, Dockable Dialogs, and select Layers. Now, in the Layers panel, select the layer for which you want to adjust the opacity. Now, at the top of the Layers panel, you will see the opacity slider. Simply slide the opacity slider either to the left or the right to decrease or increase the layer's opacity respectively. Make sure to pay attention to your image on the canvas to see the real-time preview of the changes you're applying to your image and to adjust accordingly. Now, the second method is by using layer masks. Instead of adjusting the overall transparency of the entire layer simultaneously, you have the option to selectively determine specific areas to be either see-through or solid by considering the colors applied within the layer mask. Start by selecting the layer that you would like to adjust in the Layers panel. At the bottom of the Layers panel, select the Add Layer Mask option, but you can also just right-click on the layer and select Add Layer Mask. In the dialog box, select the default state you want your layer mask to be in from the available options. Now, click Add. A new layer mask will be visible beside the layer's thumbnail, so make sure to select the layer mask thumbnail first, then go to the toolbar and select the paintbrush tool. Now, to reveal the area that you would like to remain opaque, use the white color and paint over the areas that you would like to remain opaque. And if you would like to erase parts of your image, then paint it over with black. And to reduce the opacity of the image, simply paint over the areas with gray. Now you know how to change the opacity of a layer in Gimp using both the Layers panel and the layer mask. You can also experiment with different opacity levels to achieve the visual effects you desire in your projects. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.